Okay, this is my first time figuring out how to do a recording with my screen and me just in the corner of the screen. So I'm using OBS Studio. That's how I'm doing it, and I'd say it's pretty good. It's a little annoying that the studio window is in the middle of the screen, but it's helpful for you if you're just learning how to do this yourself. So this is just kind of a test video. I will upload it to YouTube, but this is how I do my clips in the future, where I will be recording my screen. And basically what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to just record the video and then use Kdenlive, if I remember that correctly. It's Kdenlive. Yeah, it's Kdenlive, and that's what I use for editing, for merging clips together and things like that. So that's just my workflow, and yeah, it's pretty low tech on my end. It's just I can put videos together. I could add intermission thing, which I don't do at this point, but yeah, without getting into spending money on like video editing and keeping to Linux. Like, I'm on Ubuntu, so I don't know about the compatibility on other operating systems, but that's what I am using.